welcome back to my channel, Saishravi Thakkar, and this is my new video. Welcome to a new Thursday video. So yeah, I post only on Thursdays. Why am I saying that? Okay. So welcome to my video. As you know, my what I've written and all, I'm going to do who is most likely to, featuring my best friend. We actually met in college. It's just been a year we have been together, but since that we are having a blast. Her name is Freya Parmar, and we are going to do the challenge who is most likely to. And we just known each other for a year. I already told that, but in that year we bonded over so many different trips, so many different incidents, and they were all so good. Like, it's a memory to give forever. So yeah, just continue watching this. Super fun is coming on your way right now. So yeah.
Guys, I already told you. So this is Freya Parmar, my friend. We have been together for a year, but it doesn't feel like it. Now we feel like we know each other from so much time. You say something now. You can. I know, right?
Welcome back to Saishravi Thakkar.
Let it be. Let's just start this. The first question: Who is most likely to be dramatic?
You, bro.
But we don't go much into drama, na. We both hate the same people who do drama.
When we started talking, there were dramas a lot.
Yeah, like it wasn't in between us, but we were going through the same drama.
Yes.
It was fun though. The next question:
Yes.
Who is most likely to get a tattoo? We don't need answers for this. That's definitely you already have. Show that. Yeah. See.
Showing off my tattoos.
Yeah, she has got so many
Wow.
tattoos. There are 7 in total, na?
8.
Oh, you. Acha, 8 there is. Yeah, the last one you got here, na? Here. Yeah. But it went off.
Yes, I'm going to get it done
Okay.
soon.
I actually want to get tattoo, but my parents will never allow me, so it's fine.
You will get it done soon.
Yeah, we'll see that.
मेरी कंपनी में आप टैटू करवा लो तो क्या मजा ही है
Yes,
इसमें।
yes. Okay, so who is most likely to be an artist?
Both of us.
We would try so hard, but it's just not in our.
Trying a drawing since a month and I haven't completed it yet.
Yeah, I know that drawing. Okay. Then who is likely to be most afraid of spiders?
Nobody, I guess.
No one. Like, I just put them and like throw them out. Yeah.
Like we throw people out of our lives.
Oh, bro, that's legit. Likes for this, guys. Likes for this one.
Next level.
I loved it though. We actually have did that so many times. We both know
Many
that.
times.
Yeah. We even know who people we have thrown out. Yeah. Let's get to next question other than saying anything else.
Yes.
Who is most likely to be married first?
That's it.
I don't know.
I'm
Nah,
not
nah.
getting married.
Even I'm not getting married. I am not even seeing my marriage up till I turn 25 or something.
25, 30.
Just play it safe.
Live your life, bro, and then settle.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Then, who is most likely to be in a foreign country?
We
Both of us. Like, we both are actually planning. We are even planning to take out the same courses we decided. Because
Yes.
we both had actually thought it before coming to college, and eventually it came out that we both want the same thing.
Yes.
Yeah, it's so good. Yeah. Who is most likely to go skydiving? Both
We
of
both.
us. Both of us. We both love ZNMD and adventures.
Hey guys, so I already told you super fun is coming your way, and tell me how do you liked it. It was amazing. Just tell me how do you like it in the comment section below, and also comment down below if you like to watch more of my friends. Like I have so many friends. If you want to watch them all, just comment down below so that I can know, and I will keep doing these challenges with them if you tell me if you like it then. So yeah, so if you like the video, do give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, comment down below, share with your friends, and tell me about more of your memories with your friends. So bye bye until next Thursday.